I have this, I have orange, or what else? That's it. 400 rupees. Yeah. Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Samriddhi. Guys, this is the second part, the whole video. अगर आपने फर्स्ट पार्ट नहीं देखा हो तो गो एंड वॉच दैट एज वेल, क्योंकि फिर उसके बाद ही आपको पता चलेगा कि किधर से मैंने क्या क्या खरीदा. एंड या लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू गाइज अबाउट ग्रोसरी, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम ग्रोसरी गए थे. एंड फर्स्ट आई बॉट ब्रोकली मात्सुगेन. सो मैं मात्सुगेन करके एक ग्रोसरी शॉप है, मैं उधर गई थी. और आई हैव दिस लिस्ट, बहुत सारी चीज़ें खरीदी है मैंने. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल स्टार्ट विद ब्रोकोली. सो ब्रोकली इज़ 170 yen. 170 yen is, guys, this broccoli, okay, let me show you, 90 rupees guys. Yeah, Japan is expensive. For those who are planning to come to Japan, इस वीडियो के बाद आई फील आपका पर्सपेक्टिव थोड़ा बदल जाएगा, बट डोंट वरी. देन वी हैव किनोको. किनोको इज़ मशरूम and I bought this chotu packet. Mushroom is for 170 rupees. No, 170 yen. 170 yen is again the same as broccoli. Okay, then we have tamanegi. Tamanegi is onions, and as you guys can see, it's written here. It's for 213 yen. 213 is around, let's say, 120 rupees. Yeah. Then we have orange.
Oh my god!
Then we have ninjin. Ninjin is carrot, obviously. So carrot is for ninjin. It's for again 170 rupees. So 90. 170 yen. Why am I keep saying it rupees? Then we have curry. Curry is a cucumber. Cucumber is for 170 yen. Again the same price, 90 rupees. Or 1 2 3 4 5 we are getting, so not bad I feel for 90 rupees. Then we have sweet potato. Sweet potato is for 170. This is also not bad. आप इंडिया से कंपेयर करोगे, obviously Japan is expensive, pretty much expensive, but comparatively अगर देखा जाए तो मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा लाइक ऑब्वियसली अभी 2 गाजर के लिए इंडिया में हम 90 रुपीज़ नहीं देते, बट सेम फॉर 3 ऑनियंस हम इंडिया में 120 रुपीज़ नहीं देते. बट दैट्स फाइन, दैट्स व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, दैट जापान इज एक्सपेंसिव एंड दैट्स फाइन. राइस, दिस इज 2 kilo rice, you guys, and 2 kilo rice is for 2354 and 2354 is about, I'll tag the prices here in rupees, so I don't want you to get confused, like, because I was saying around. So that's it for the groceries. I make sound like मैंने बहुत खरीदा था, but ये भी बहुत है guys. ये this is like the rice is for 2 months, 1.5 month तो चल जाता है. Yeah, it's pretty much it. Then we'll go to the makeup. No, के बाद we went to Seria. Seria is again Yakuwen shop. All things you get are quite cheap. So yes, first of all I bought this cute. So I use this. I put this in my bag, like put it on my bag, and I put my lipstick in it or lip balm. And this is so cute, I feel. So I bought this. Whatever, you can buy it for if you want to put your coins or what else. That's it, I feel. Yeah. Then I bought this eyebrow, because देखो जापान में people don't buy makeup ऐसे बहुत cheap. They invest in proper अच्छा makeup. But मैंने सुना है कि याकुएन शॉप के जो eyebrows बट मैंने सुना है कि याकुएन शॉप के जो आईब्राउज के पैलेट्स होते हैं, दे आर सो गुड. लाइक लॉट ऑफ पीपल यूज इट and I really wanted to give it a try. So I'm like, क्या आता है guys, इतने सस्ते में क्या आता है लाइफ में. So I thought of just give it a try. And उसको लगाने के लिए I need something, right? So brush. It's cute, no? Tiny brush. Look at the tip. And this is for eyebrow. The last product, this cute notebook. Obviously kanji के लिए I need something. So this is like, yeah, this is so cute, like guys, छोटू सा. How cute. उसके बाद we went to skincare. So skincare, Okua, Super Scent Okua is the name. And उधर आपको बहुत सारे सामान मिल जाते हैं, like obviously grocery, then makeup, then I think you can get, what else, that's it. I feel that's pretty much it. So मैंने स्किन केयर खरीदा. एंड इफ़ यू गाइज हैव वॉच द नारा व्लॉग, देन आपको पता होगा कि मुझे वो 500 yen का पास मिला था. सो आई यूज्ड इट टुडे एंड इट वाज फन एक्चुअली, बिकॉज या पीपल वर आस्किंग मी किこれどうして持っているんですか? I mean, why did you have it? So I told them that I won this and that, etc, etc. So they're like, okay, wakarimashita and all. It's cute interaction I had with them. Then okay, let's move on to skincare, guys. I know you guys all like, आप बहुत एक्साइटेड होंगे इस पार्ट के लिए. किसको पसंद नहीं है जापानीज स्किन केयर? एंड अपेरेंटली आई हैव हर्ड कि जितने भी इंडियंस आ रहे हैं वो एक एक बैग्स में स्किन केयर लेके जाते हैं. एंड आई एम लाइक, रियली डूड? बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली दे वर्क्स वंडर्स. आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग कि मतलब वो मैं खुद मेरे फैमिली के लिए कितने लेके गई थी. सो या, वी आर गोना स्टार्ट विथ शीट मास्क. So first I bought this Hydra Vitamin C. I love this one. This is like, मतलब मेरी स्किन थोड़ी नॉर्मल टू ड्राई है, तो मुझे I love vitamin on my skin because I have little spots as well, as you guys can see. So this works wonderful for my skin. Get 7 sheets. Or if you want a review of this, let me know in the comments. I'll make a review, like shorts pe you'll get a review of this. This is for 700 yen, 400 rupees. Yeah, and all of you must have known, if you follow a Japanese skincare or if you know Japan and if you watch a lot of vlogs about Japan, then you guys know that this sheet mask, I am trying it for the first time because this vitamin C I have tried, and then इसके रेंज में और एक आता है वो आई हैव ट्राइड, बट इसका हाइप अलग ही है गाइस. लाइक ऑल फॉरेनर्स ऑल्सो इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया, बहुत लोग आते हैं एंड ये लेके जाते हैं. सो आई रियली वांटेड टू गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड सी कि इतना क्या हाइप है, इफ़ द हाइप इज़ रियल और वर्थ, यू नो. दिस इज़ बेसिकली ये डर्मा लेज़र का काम करता है. रियली वांटेड टू गिव इट अ ट्राई. लेट मी नो इफ़ यू वांट रिव्यू ऑफ इट. दिस इज़ फॉर अगेन 700 yen. Then we have toner. I bought the same because I have the same, but वो थोड़ा बड़ा है. And ये this is small size, and this is for 1008. This is heaven for dry skin or मऊ लगा बोलता है. It is मऊ. If you want soft, my lord, if you want soft skin, this is for you guys. This works wonder. And I bought 2 face washes. Bought 2 face washes because I really wanted to try different ranges of face washes. And मेरे पास एक already है and it works on your pores, on your skin, and I love that one. But वो मैं सिर्फ रात को use करती हूँ because I think some doctor on YouTube video I watched and they suggested to use it at night. So I use it at night. But normal I used to use either simple का face wash or Cetaphil, and वो ख़त्म हो चुका है. So I wanted to give it a try, Japanese face washes. So I bought this one. I hope you guys can see. This is for acne, Nikki B. This is for 328. 328 is, and I feel this is so cheap. 328 is how much? Like 160, 180 rupees, I feel. Yeah, this is for 180 rupees, which I think it's quite affordable. So I bought this one. I bought one more. भाई क्यूटनेस की हद होती है गाइस, कितना क्यूट है ये. And this is famous in Japan, and this is like a collaboration with, I think, the brand. So this is for cleansing foam white. I don't know, but Kawuchi-san said this is nice, so just give it a try. And this is cheap, like this is for again 300. This, you guys must be knowing what is this. Obviously Band-Aid, because मैं बहुत क्लमजी हूँ समटाइम्स, नॉट ऑलवेज, बट थोड़ी क्लमजी हूँ मैं, और मुझे कुछ ना कुछ लगता रहता है. सो आई थॉट लेट्स जस्ट बाय वन. दिस वन इज़ फॉर 250 yen is okay. Last but not the least, I'm so sorry, मैं गई second state shop and I've showed you guys. Everything was so freaking cute. I couldn't believe the prices. इतना सस्ता था guys, and brands like Gucci was there, Dior was there, Louis Vuitton was there, and I'm like, are you kidding me? And everything was original guys, I'm not even kidding. सिर्फ वो यूज़ किया हुआ था, that's the thing. And I'm like, bro, that is so cheap. But I don't know, I just didn't feel like buying it clothes. And but बहुत अच्छे थे, बहुत cute थे guys. बट मेरे को इतना पसंद नहीं आया कुछ, सो मैंने कुछ नहीं लिया. बट बैग्स, ओ माय गॉड, मेरा बजट एक तो आज बहुत ऊपर गया था, बट मैंने मतलब आई रियली वांटेड टू टेक लाइक 2-3 bags, एंड देयर वर 2 bags विच आई गॉट रियली कंफ्यूज, बट आई गॉट दिस बैग. Kawuchi-san said this looks so cool. This is for 1430 yen, and 1430 yen is about, let me know what do you guys think about this one. I feel this is very cute. Yeah, that's all I got you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well, and the first part as well. Let me know guys, like कि आपको और क्या देखना है और क्या जानना है जापान के बारे में. This video I really had fun shooting as well and showing you guys what all I got. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, be kind to yourself, keep smiling, and bye bye.